Hello and welcome. This video is geared towards the construction of circles to satisfy given conditions, particularly to construct a circle that is required to pass through two given points and to touch a given circle. Figure 1 shows a circle with center O and 2 points A and B. We are required to draw the given circle and establish points A and B. We are also required to draw a circle that will pass through the two given points A and B and to touch the given circle. Let us commence. We are going to begin by establishing all our points with the given information. So we're supposed to establish points A and B after constructing the given circle. We'll use center lines, construct the vertical and horizontal line. The intersection of these lines would represent the center of the given circle. I will label this intersection O. As is clearly shown, the positions of points A and B are given by the vertical and horizontal distances from point O, which is the center of the given circle. I will proceed to construct the circle. The radius of the circle is 35, since the diameter is 70. We'll first establish point A. We'll offset the vertical line horizontally to the left, the distance of 70 millimeters. We are then going to offset the vertical distance, the horizontal line, downwards 25 millimeters. The intersection of these two lines gives us point A. We'll use the multi-point command to mark these points. We will then establish point B by offsetting the bottom line upwards the distance of 50 millimeters. And the horizontally offset line, the distance of 25 millimeters to the right. Now that we have established our points, let us label them. Since we no longer need these lines, we can erase them. We're now going to proceed to do the construction of the required circle. The first thing we're supposed to do is to connect points A and B with an extended line. So for this, we'll use the ray command to connect points A and B. We'll now bisect the distance AB. Use the circle command to establish my arcs, and then I'll use the break command to break the circles. Towards the line through the intersection points. A circle is to be drawn anywhere along this bisector that should cut the given circle at 2 points. Therefore, this circle is to be constructed from a center of your convenience. And we will construct this circle from this center point. The points at which where this circle is cutting the given circle we'll label D and E. This point will connect D to E with an extended line. By using the ray command, we'll connect D to E. This line will connect the first extended line at point F. At this point, we are now going to construct a tangent from point F to the given circle. To do this, we first connect point F to O. We bisect the distance FO. This I'll use the circle command. Break command to break the circle. point at which the bisector intersects FO is point G. With center G and radius GO, we'll scribe an arc to cut the circumference of the given circle. A straight line constructed from point F through the intersection of this arc and the circumference of the circle will yield the tangent. At this point, we construct a line perpendicular to the tangent, the point at which the tangent touches the given circle. I will use the circle command to establish my arcs. I will use the break command to construct a straight line from the point at which where the tangent touches the circle into the intersection point. This straight line will be our perpendicular, which must also intersect the bisector of AB at point H. Point H is the center for the required circle. Therefore, with center H and radius HA or HB, construct the required circle. The point at which where the required circle touches the given circle, this would be labeled as point C. This is the completed construction of a circle to pass through two given points and to touch a given circle. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.